The United States government has issued an emergency action notification. Do not drink from any water source. Only drink from bottled water. There is an orange jelly-like substance going around contaminating water sources. If you drink this contaminated water, you will turn orange and your organs will start to fail and then you will die. We advise you not to panic. This jelly-like substance will be contained soon. United States government has issued a shelter-in-place warning. The jelly-like substance is getting more animalistic. It's now targeting water towers and it can kill people. It does this by flowing through the pipes. Then it's free to roam in your house, then it will find you and then it will enter a human. When it enters the human, it will contaminate the body water and then that human would die. Take shelter in a sturdy room. Seal all cracks that the jelly could get in. The United States government has issued a hazardous materials warning. The jelly-like substance is uncontainable. We are forced to perform a saturation bombing. You are advised to move 300 yards from your current location. If you are outside for a long time, there's a risk you might have an unknown disease created by the orange jelly that will slowly kill you. Use a motor vehicle like a car or a truck to evacuate. Buses or running would be way too slow. All citizens have 2 days to evacuate. Good luck.